Hello everyone, this is Paukshte Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. I also want to remind you that two of my courses are available in English now. 10 measurement cutting system and how to make a bomber jacket. Last time I showed you how to make amazing shaped princess seams. I've showed you a lot of lessons on how to work with the basic patterns on the tracing paper. In this lesson, we are going to study everything in practice. Have a look at the sketch. This is the same dress I showed you in the previous video. The princess seam go down from the armhole. They're shaped. The center front detail is tied on the waistline. And then the princess seam go down to the bottom. It's one thing to make a pattern with princess seams, and another thing to make a dress according to this pattern. Let's do it. This is modeling fabric. I'm going to make the center front and the center back details of this pink fabric and the sides of the beige fabric. Ladies, if you think that your bodies are not shaped enough, let's improve it with the help of the shaped princess seams. The advice of making such dress was given to me by one of the Russian famous fashion designers, Andrei Safinin. Have a look at the sketch once again. The pattern is ready. I just need to cut, tack, and try the dress on. I want to make the pattern a bit longer. I can start cutting now. This is the center back and the center front. These are the side details. I'll need them later. I'm working with the modeling fabric. Do not forget about the checkpoints. This is the center back. Remember that it's better to make sides from the pale fabric and the centers from the bright ones. I chose pink and beige colors. These are the fabrics I had in my fashion house. You can choose your own color combinations for your dresses. This is the waistline. Here's the checkpoint. Here's one more. Make tiny notches. I'll also make a checkpoint here. The notches should be tiny. This is very important. The center back detail is ready. This is the shoulder dart. I'll cut the center front detail next. The chest dart is absolutely tiny. If you haven't watched the previous video, do it. I showed you how to make this pattern in the previous video. Now I'm just using the result. Do not forget about the seam allowance when cutting the dart. I do have enough fabric for it. This is the waistline. This dart also serves as a checkpoint. This is the center back, the center front, the back side detail, the front side detail. The waistline is the widest part in the side details. Do not forget to make checkpoints here. I've already told you in the previous video that if you want to make the dress tighter, you need to make extra tucks here. I'm not going to do it. There is no need for me to. This advice is for those who like close-fitting clothes and for those who have slim waists. Don't make the details too tight though. As I've already said, the waistline is the widest point of the side details. I've made the notches and the checkpoints. I'll be able to connect them later. They will help me make accurate garment. Let's have a look at what I've got. The center back detail, the side back detail. Perfect. All of the checkpoints match. I need to cut the extra piece from the bottom. The back is ready. This is the center front detail and the front side detail. I'm cutting the back side detail. When it's done, I'll mark the checkpoints. This is the waistline. This is the checkpoint. The dart should end here. Notice that there's an opening on the tuck here. This is the beginning of the dart. It ends here. Before I start taking the dress, I need to trace the dart to the other side. That's all for today. Next time, I'm going to show you how to tag the dress. When it's done, I'll try it on. Be different and beautiful. My name is Paukshte Irina. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and the bell buttons. Buy my courses. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.